Welcome to Webidex. How to choose a topic to create a website without making mistakes. Creating a successful website is not always easy at present. There can be many reasons for a website to fail, but one of the main reasons is not choosing the right topic, niche, or keywords that you can succeed with. Since we provide keyword research services, when some people came to us for keyword research find it really hard to get an idea of any basis when looking at the topics which they have chosen to create their websites. That's really the main point that led us to do this video. Because, no matter how well we did our job, some people have missed a lot of key facts when designing their websites. So, without wasting much time, let's see how to choose a topic to create a website without making mistakes. If someone has come to the point of doing research directly into an article means that they have already made a lot of significant decisions by then. Sometimes when we start doing keyword research for some of those articles, we see how confusing and unsuccessful those decisions are. Even if we give a little idea about this, some people are not ready to think about it. So, many individuals who read and listen to that person's nonsense and pampering, lack the knowledge to realize the truth and ignorance of that person. Even if we are lying here, but there are people who believe it. There is no need to come to the point of accepting anything without research and study. So, keep in mind that only you can make your path to success. Some people create websites only targeting AdSense and put so much money into the website that they can't turn back. In such cases, it's better to make a change in the plans right then and there without thinking of its difficulty and giving up. Often the main reason behind these issues is the ignorance in choosing the right topic. So, this video series will guide you in starting a website on a topic that interests you without making any loss or giving up that idea. The other thing is that choosing a topic for a website is not a simple thing to confirm that selection by leaving a message to someone. Many people ask us the same thing again and again. It is not a mistake to know the opinions of knowledgeable people, and of course, their opinions will definitely help you to increase the success of your decisions. But, it is not practical to make a complete decision based on it alone. Choosing a topic for a website is always something that should be decided after a good research. This is an additional aspect of keyword research, as you can find as many keywords according to your wish, depending on each topic. So you have to do good research on the topic separately based on whether the topic fits in with what you are designing the website for and whether it can reach your goal. As well as you also need to do some keyword research. If not, you will be ended up building a website based on a lot of failed decisions. The main topic used to create a website is usually what we call the niche of the website. So research on a topic can also be called niche research. When designing a website, however, the major focus should be on ensuring the capability of fulfilling your design through your selection. So, how this can be done exactly? We will discuss it in detail in our next video. Please hit like, share, and subscribe to Webidex if you learned something valuable, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Then you won't miss our upcoming videos. So before we leave, keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.